addition of large numbers without carrying.
Add 6,431 and 2,527. Solution. First we will add digits on ones place, that is 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Then we will add digits on the tens place, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then we will add digits on the hundreds place, that is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then we will add digits on the thousands place, that is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Thus the total of 6,431 and 2,527 is 8,958. This is working form, working rule. Add ones, add the tens, add the hundreds, add the thousands, and so on.
The rules of addition.
We have learnt the rules of addition in previous class. Let us see these rules again. Rule 1. Order of addends. The change in order of addends does not change the sum. As for example, let us solve 56,713 plus 23,143 and 23,143 plus 56,713. Solution. 56,713 plus 23,143 and 23,143 plus 56,713 is equal to 79,856. We observe that in both the cases we get the same answer. Rule 2. Adding by grouping. The sum of 3 or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. As for example, let us solve. Inside the bracket 45,280 plus 1,927 plus 79 and 45,280 plus inside the bracket 1,927 plus 79. Solution. Inside the bracket 45,280 plus 1,927 plus 79 and 45,280 plus inside the bracket 1,927 plus 79 is equal to 47,286. Rule 3. Adding 0 to a number. If we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. As for example, 47,186 plus 0 is equal to 47,186. 0 plus 71,539 is equal to 71,539. Rule 4. Adding 1 to a number. When we add 1 to a number, we get the number just after it, or we get the successor of that number. As for example, 173 plus 1 is equal to 174. 4,875 plus 1 is equal to 4,876. 79,705 plus 1 is equal to 79,706. Rule 5. Adding 10 to a number. When we add 10 to a number, the digit in the tens place increases by 1. As for example, 63,125 plus 10 is equal to 63,135. 79,830 plus 10 is equal to 79,840. Rule 6. Adding 100 to a number. When we add 100 to a number, the digit in the hundreds place increases by 1. As for example, 78,125 plus 100 is equal to 78,225. 84,749 plus 100 is equal to 84,849. Rule 7. Adding 1,000 to a number. When we add 1,000 to a number, the digit in the thousands place increases by 1. As for example, 84,125 plus 1,000 is equal to 85,125. 73,235 plus 1000 is equal to 74,235.